All right, hi there. I just wanted to make sure that everybody had a nice tour of Canvas and knew where to find the unit planner. So this is basically what your Canvas homepage will look like. Might look a little bit different when you're in the student view. Let me click that. So here's what it'll look like for you. This is where the syllabus is. This is where the YouTube playlist is. So please make sure that you're using this as a way to get to the YouTube videos that I make specifically for this class, rather than wading through all the videos I have for different classes over different years. So that'll bring you right to the Algebra 3-4 information. Everything you need to go access is in modules. So click on modules here on the left side. And then there's only one module in there. Every module is going to be for a unit. Each unit will have a module. So unit 1 is sequences. And there's always a unit planner. So this unit planner gets you to a Google Doc that I update throughout the unit. So it's all sketched out, but then as things go, sometimes I need to move things up or down. And so it's a Google Doc that you need to go back and refer to often. So let's click on that. Let's see what shows up. So this is our Unit 1 planner. It's pretty simple, but I want to make sure that you all know how to read it. We've got on the left side there just simply what day we're on. In the middle, what we're doing in class. I'm putting the learning target, so everything that says LT is what we're learning that particular day. All the bullet points are different activities we do. Most of those are linked. Looks like a couple things I need to add some links to. And then over here on the right side, it's what you should do before next class. So tried to make it clear, just date, what we're doing in class, what you need to do outside of class. You might be able to get some of this stuff done during class. Okay, so one thing I wanted to clarify is, we just had a lesson like on Tuesday. We just had a lesson yesterday, and it has over here a warning about a quiz that's coming up. Okay, so I try to give you some warnings, and then you can see if you go down to Monday the 15th, you have a quiz that day, tells you what lessons are on the quiz, and there's a warning about a test coming up. Okay, so the test is going to be on Thursday the 26th. So you can kind of scroll down and see all the things that we're doing over the course of this unit, and then there's a link to jump to the next planner. Okay, just as a reminder, this is a live document. So if we go faster or if we go slower in class, I may move some of these things around. So don't just print it out and assume it's set in stone. It changes depending on how things go. So get in the habit, I would say every day or every other day, whenever you look at, maybe you do your A-day homework on your B days or whatever your system is, take some time and look at this and just make sure, how do you feel about the learning target? Do you feel like you can identify geometric and arithmetic sequences? Do you think you could continue them? Do you think next class we're going to look about writing them as functions? How do you feel about that? So take a second, reflect on the learning target. Make sure you did all this stuff before the next class. Okay, so please make sure you use that tool. And if you're confused about anything, or if you have feedback, a way that I could organize it better, let me know, and I'm happy to do that.